Hello, Brahmbhatt sir, can we start the registration? Hello, Brahmbhatt sir. Hello.
Hello.
Can we start the registration?
Yes.
Okay.
I think almost all participants are present. 64 attendees are there.
Right now 64s are there. As and when time passes, they may increase. But let us start over the last part of this particular FDP. Good afternoon to all. I warmly welcome at the last part of this FDP, that is the valedictory session. First of all, I make thankful to all the participants who joined over here in this FDP to give their support, because without the support of participants, not a single FDP will be successful. We are also pleased that the participants has given a very warm response in this particular FDP. If we started from the day one, which is pertain to the Dr. Vijay Shah sir, which has been talked about the bridges and the infrastructure development, the use of the bridges in the infrastructure development, some of the design aspects that they have discussed with us. After that, the lecture which has been taken care by Dr. Rakesh Kumar about the use of the minerals in the concrete technology. And then Dr. Desai sir, senior professor of the SVNIT, has been talked about the recent research trends in geotechnical as well as structural aspects. Day 2, as I have taken one lecture by myself, the use of FRP, and then the other 2 lectures correspondingly taken care by Tandil sir, one lecture, and other lecture will be taken care by Katta sir. So similarly, whole FDP, which has been organized in a systematic manner, which has been divided equally into 2 parts, specifically 50% weightage given to the geotechnical sites and remaining with the structure sites. So we did try our best to enlighten you, that is the participants, as far as to suit the title of this particular FDP. Now, let us move ahead. Before that, one group photo session, it is to be kept over here. So I request you, please open your videos so that we can click a group photo. I request you, all the participants, to share your videos over here, to open their camera respectively, so that the group photo can be taken care. Only for 1 minute is required, please. Respected, please participants, please share your camera so that we can take the group photos, as many as possible. It is a memory for the GEC Dahod that the numbers of faculty, not only from the Gujarat, majority of the outside of the Gujarat has participated in this particular FDP. Okay, fine. Now you may discontinue from your camera. Let us continue further. I would like to request our enthusiastic, supportive, dynamic personality principal sir, patron and the convener of this FDP, for this event on the enlightening us for the past 5 days for this FDP program. So now I will switch over to the Brahmbhatt sir. Please, sir.
Namaskar. My honorable coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Kaushal B. Parikh, Dr. Y.K. Tandal, Professor Nirav Umaravia, all PG students who are associated with this FDP, and my respected, honorable and dear participants, delegates from all over India. So Professor Parikh has already explained main aspects of this particular FDP. Now in faculty development program, the question may arise in our mind, how it would be helpful. So when we want to carry out any research work, when we want to assign different projects to our students, so project itself is nothing but problem and its solution. So we are able to define the problem and we know the roadmap of solving that particular problem. So we should know the research methodology, research tool to solve that particular problem. So in my today's discussion, I haven't said many videos. 2 minutes asanas are there. So I would share among you. So I will send one email of those videos. Please do practice at your home and make yourself healthy and happy. Now, my Guru Dr. D.B. Nayak has shared his experience when he attended one FDP in the area of operation research, because basically I am from mechanical engineering side. So through that FDP, he was able to define his research objectives. That is problem statement. And after 4 months, he attended another FDP in that particular area. In that FDP, he would be able to define, he would be able to know the path to which he can solve this particular problem. Roadmap for that research work. So ultimately, research work, problem and its solution, detailed study of any topic. You can compare two problems simultaneously, and we'll have to give the novelty. Comparison of two theses, comparison of two dissertation, and you can give some suggestion. You can use novel methodology. You can use novel approach. You can somebody has solved mathematical model using finite difference method. You can solve that particular mathematical model using finite element method. So that way, see, ultimately delta X contribution in your area of research, that is nothing but you will get PhD degree, Doctor of Philosophy. So that is why you should publish the paper. You should read the research papers, research articles from authentic journal regularly. So learning is an unending process. Think yourself as a learner throughout your life. So from this FDP, my team and our expert faculties, as well as institute experts, industry experts, they have tried their level best to satisfy or to justify the title. And sustainability, structural development, that is our today's demand. So that is why my humble request to all of you, you please one report, please share this particular knowledge among your students, among your colleagues, so that we can cover a big network. So our college, that is Government and Engineering College, Dahod, established in 2004. That is in tribal area of Gujarat. But my team, my faculty members have been trying to do something great for the society. And I always give freedom to them. They are empowered to make decisions. Whatever responsibilities are given to them, I delegate full authority to carry out that particular responsibilities. So I am happy to share you that this is our 4th FDP. Atal FDP. I am talking about Atal FDP. In December, our mechanical engineering department will be organizing one FDP. So this is our aim, our goal, to cover every part of India. So as a participant, you are also very expert. You are also a very good teacher. You are also a very good orator. But here, some new knowledge have been shared. So please take the benefit of this particular FDP. Certificate is not enough. That is one kind of appreciation. But at the same time, you have to extend this particular study. You have to extend this particular knowledge among your students. Then and then I can say that our FDP is called a successful FDP. So I am happy to tell you that my team, my GEC Dahood team, they are very innovative, creative, and they do organize such type of workshops, seminars, faculty development programs, then industrial tours, virtual tours also we organize for our students. So same practices also you can start in your organization, in your esteemed organization, and many of you have been doing such type of practices. So congratulations to all delegates who have spared their valuable time for this particular FDP and make this particular FDP and give a grand success to this FDP. With this note, I am concluding my speech, hoping your grand success in your life. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Best wishes. Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you very much for sir inspirational words. But sir, you have used one word sir over here, that my team is creative, sir. But you just see that the team will be creative when the leader is behind you. Without leader, team will never be a success one. So because of the leader gives us freedom. I repeat this word and listen all the attendees, participants, and specifically those who belongs to Gujarat, those specifically belongs to the government colleges. I repeat this word very frankly, that sir gives us freedom, and because of this freedom, that trust, we can do this task. So I once again thankful to the principal sirs to provide this opportunity. As sir has stated very rightly, the 4 FDP has been completed only by Applied Mechanics department, and that is because of the sir only. So once again, thank you very much, sir.
My pleasure. Actually, but I am simply a family member. I am one of my family member of GEC Dahood, but Dr. Parikh has shared his views from his heart. So thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to invite our participants, because without them this event does not succeed. So I request you to the participants to share their views, their feedback related to this FDP. Speak anything related to FDP so that we can improve ourselves. Improvement is always needed. See, I have tried my best to give the reply through the WhatsApp, through the chat box at each and every stage. But even though it may possible, something will be remaining from our side, from my side, my team side. If you have certain questions, queries, and I want really your feedback related to FDP, please. your mic, you can just click unmute from your side, because we have give the opportunity right now, because that option has been disabled from our side, but we now enabled over here. So you can raise, you can speak your voice through the camera also. Please give your feedback, because feedback is very much important. We can't go ahead without feedback. Feedback means without feedback I will not continue further. I need feedback, maybe a positive, maybe a negative, maybe moderate, whatsoever. I want to listen. Please share your feedback.
Please come forward, please.
At least some of the participants have to come forward over here for their feedback. I'm expecting from your side. Any of the participant, you have to just unmute your mic and speak something. Turn on camera, unmute your mic, that's all. Hello.
Thank
Yes.
you, sir, for conducting FDP. It helped us very much. Thank you very much. It was very innovative, very good. The speakers were also very nice. Timings was also very good followed, and content was also very good. So it helped us in very good way. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Professor Harsita ma'am. Any other participant?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, perfectly audible, sir. Please.
Sir, too much valuable FDP. Now, from that FDP, we can take some important.
Sir, can you share your camera, please?
Sir, actually, I am joining on desktop, sir. So
Okay.
We have no camera on that.
Okay, fine.
So, number of topics which we can select for our BE student, those taking the interest on doing the project and giving their initiative and take some efforts, so we can maximum ideas getting from this FDP. So
thank you, sir.
I will request again, you can arrange seminar, FDP like this in future. So I will also join and take so much knowledge from the FDP.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Any other participants would share their views? I request you to please come forward. I want to listen. Maybe whatever your views related to this FDP, what you have visualized this 5 days, what you learned, or something missing from our side, please tell us. Feedback doesn't mean only positiveness. Feedback means everything.
Delegates from North India. Any delegate from North India? From Maharashtra? Please. Dr. Parikh sir, please you speak anybody's name. I think
if any, please give your Mr. Ashutosh Saligram, Can you share your feedback? Just randomly take the name. Just very randomly.
So we all are in this teaching profession, noble profession. We can share our views. Yes, madam, please. Yes, please introduce yourself, madam.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Just a minute. Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible, please.
Yes, sir. I am from Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. We have a team of 4 members who have joined this workshop, Atal workshop. So the title is Fundamental of Geotechnical and Structural Engineering. Like initially we thought like I am from structural engineering background, and how I can attend the geotechnical, whether I would able to understand something or not. But sir, I would like to say that very nice combination is there, that I cannot feel at any point like it's not a mind part. Like actually whatever maybe the basics were taught and the delivered was really very nice, and we took a lot of things from the geotechnical also and from the structural engineering also. So it's a very good combination, and rather than UHV lecture is also very nice. Now it has been compulsory that UHV should be there in every stream. So really thank you, sir. I have some queries. So I posted a WhatsApp message to Kaushal, sir. I hope that that will be resolved soon. So it's really a very nice experience. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for the nice feedback.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Any other participants would say something? Any other participants, please? See, feedback gives us certain boost up. Something lacuna is there, we can improve. Yes, sir, please, sir.
Yes,
Professor
Vikun,
Silva.
sir, go ahead.
Myself, Assistant Professor Vipin Stilwa from JIDC Degree Engineering College, Navsari. Right. I really thanks to all team of Dahod Government Engineering College, Kaushal sir, Yogendra sir, Nirav sir, and it's really a successful FDP sequence of topics, contain all things are good, and special thank to Yogendra sir for providing and solving each and every time some queries regarding the softwares and joining. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir, Professor Silva. Any other faculty, please? Any other participants? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mehta, sir, please.
I'm audible, sir?
Yes, perfectly audible.
Yeah, so this is Professor Pradeep from HME College, Jalandhar. I'm from Punjab side, and my
Yes,
background
sir.
is computer science. So
Yes,
I just want to say over here that this FDP is very effective, and all the sessions were, you can say, knowledgeable. And I really enjoyed and enhanced my knowledge from this FDP. Thank you very much, sir, from this FDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now, sir, I will interrupt you, sir. Actually, what happens, there are lots of faculty members who has been come over here at diversible field. Only I have selected only one as a pinpoint you as a communications, means you are from the other diversity field side, even though I have selected. Now I would like to ask the questions. You are not belongs to the particular the field of the civil engineering. Why you have selected this FDP? I want to say that, want to know the reason only. Have you understood my question, sir, Pradeep, sir?
Yeah, you asking to me, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm asking to you, sir.
Actually, sir, there are two reasons, sir. Actually, first of all, I want to fulfill my the requirement for my next scale that I need
Okay.
to be.
Okay.
And the second is like the topic of this, you can say FDP is like I want to just enhance my knowledge from this FDP. So that's why I joined this particular FDP from NEPTEL. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Any other participants? Any other participants, please? I think then let us move to the
Yeah,
next session.
Mr.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Hello.
please.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Dipanjan Nath, lecturer of Civil Engineering Department, JLD Engineering Management College from West Bengal, Kolkata. So the overall program is very nice, and whatever you structured about the structural engineering part and geotechnical engineering part, as I am from the polytechnic background, the knowledge, whatever I gain from this FDP, I will try to share my knowledge to my students, and also I try to implement those knowledge into the project part, upcoming project parts of the college students. So thank you, Kaushal sir, and all the team GEC Dahod for arranging such a kind of FDP program. Hope we will meet any other FDP in near future. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, any other faculty would to share their feedback, please?
West India, South India, I think is left. South India.
There are numbers of participants
Andhra
from the
Pradesh,
south side.
Karnataka. Please, need delegate. Please share your feedback. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is
But madam is, I think.
no, sir. So I think let us go to the last part. That is about vote of thanks. But before that, I would like to communicate to all the participants over here that without the students of the bachelor, BE students, this program will never succeed. In all the kinds of training, their full cooperation is there with me right now, with us right now. Right now, our students are there with me to take the attendance, to solve the YouTube channel links, to make it out, to cut it out the certain videos, to manage each and everything. The cooperation of the students I'll never forget. As I stated, the 3H, 3 Hussains, their cooperations along with Mokshar, then along with the certain girls who has cooperated us. So I make on this occasion thanks to all. Now let us go for the last part. I request you, Dr. Kandel sir, to give the vote of thanks at this occasion.
Okay. First and foremost, we definitely have to thank AICTE Atal Training and Learning Academy, New Delhi, for funding the project, this FDP. So without fund, it cannot be possible. As well as our Department of Technical Education, Gujarat, for assistance. And next, without participants, this FDP cannot be possible. So thanks to our all participants for kind attendance throughout the FDP. Thanks to our energetic principal, Dr. P.K. Brahmbhatt sir, for being a special guest of honor for today's event and always being inspirational for us. And hopefully for the next time, whenever we have a FDP and we have a subject related to meditation and pranayam, yoga, and health wellness. So principal sir will be our brand ambassador related to this subject, and we will take advantages in near future also for all FDP. We have if this kind of subject is there. Thanks to our Applied Mechanics Department faculty members, particularly Umravia sir and Chandra sir, for managing the FDP's various tasks. And among all, finest to all our student volunteers, basically BTech student volunteers, to ensure the smooth conduction of this FDP. So we will merge towards the end of this session. So before we conclude this session, so we'll left with our national anthem, Jana Gana Man. So we just request here also to just share our national anthem.
voice size.
Sir, it's not audible.
Yes, it is not audible.
It is not audible, please.
1 minute more.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय
जय।
वंदे
मातरम।
Hello. Now, this is last phase. Now, I would like to just give you a brief part about the certificate is concerned. From my side, what I have to do, I have to put your attendance on the AICTE Atal web portal that I'm going to do right now within 5 to 10 minutes. Then your quiz marks I have to upload. After those two things, and you have to do give the feedback from your side. These three things together, then after 24 hours, a certificate will be generated automatically in your login credential. I don't have to give you any certificate from my side directly. The certificate will be generated by the AICTE Atal. It will come in your login itself. I have to do only two tasks, your presence as well as marks. I will do as soon as possible for this. Even though our WhatsApp group is remaining as it is, till you get a certificate. The important thing is that find any kind of difficulty, you can ask through me personally through WhatsApp also. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So we can leave now.